Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to add baby hair on this wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you learn something from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, guys. And if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. So I've actually introduced this style to you before. I have a tutorial on it. If you want to know how to make it, just check the description box down below. But in today's video I'm just going to add baby hair and then I'll show you a small clip on how to make it. So if you want to watch a detailed tutorial, guys, just check the description box down below. I always start by spinning the braids on the cap or on the dummy, and then I sew them on the cap. Also, if you want to know how to make the braids, I'll leave a link for you in the description box down below. I have like 2 or 3 videos on how to make the braids. So I always just start by pinning down the braids on the cap and then I sew the braids on the cap. And then it's very simple, but if you're starting, it might be tiresome, but when you get used to it, you'll enjoy the process, guys. You'll enjoy making the wig. So guys, if you watch the detailed video, you'll understand well how to make it. I've really explained in detail. I always use 2 different dummies. If the client's head is big, I always use this canvas block, and then if our client's head is small, I always use this dummy. So I just went ahead and added the baby hair. I really don't always enjoy this part. I'm always forced to do it. It's not my favorite thing to do, adding baby hair. It can be tiresome, but you just have to do it. Just know that there's a difference between a wig that has a full lace and the one that I use a 360 cap or a full lace cap. The difference is the other one is costly. The one that has the full lace is costly than this other one. For this one, I just make the braids and then I sew them on the cap. So guys, just know that this is different. This one is sewing method and a full lace is a full lace method, like you're braiding a full lace. If you order from the website and you want me to cut the lace for you, just let me know, leave me a note, and I'll cut and apply foundation for you. For this wig to look more natural, you have to apply foundation on the lace and then do the baby hair. Also, for it to be more secure, let's add combs or a band just to make it more secure. But sometimes I just sew a comb and a client is okay with it, because I know some clients who don't love combs. They're just okay with the band. So guys, this is how it looks. Just comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style. It's color 30 and 33. Actually, this color is a client of mine who suggested the colors for me. On the original video or DIY, I sew combs and a band. So I'm not going to apply foundation on this, but for it to look more natural, you have to apply foundation and then apply gel. So guys, if you're learning something from this video, or if you learned something from this video, just leave a comment down below. And also if you love these two colors, 33 and 30, just comment down below. And also if you love this style.
Oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, más y más allá.
If you want to watch the tutorial, just check the description box down below. It's a very detailed tutorial. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in this wig, just I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. See you in my next video, guys. Love you. Bye.
And love is all we'll ever try.